Welcome. This is a guided meditation for managing your perspective and emotions around current events. Find your place of comfort, breathe in deeply, and settle into this moment of calmness. I'm so glad that you are here in this serene place, giving yourself a break from the news and current events. You deserve this time to unplug from it all. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with calm, and breathe out, letting go of any heaviness. As you absorb the news of the world, remember that while challenges exist, so does your resilience. You can and you will make it through these times of uncertainty. Slowly, bring to mind one positive thing in your life. Allow that good memory to fill your heart with warmth. As you prepare to go about your way, remember to release the weight of the world. Your heart is for carrying peace and calm. May you have a beautiful, serene day.